Once again, the city of Johannesburg is out and about in Midrand conducting a roadblock in which city officials will get an opportunity to check on the status of accounts of for municipal services for all those who own properties. We stop you, well, the JMPD stops you, and then you get an opportunity to check if your account is up to date, and if it's not up to date, you get an opportunity to enter into a payment arrangement or even to pay cash on the spot. This is done to ensure that all residents, all property owners pay for municipal services provided to them by the city of Johannesburg. We must pay for water, we must pay for electricity, we must pay for refuse collected, we must pay for sewage, and that is what is important to keep the city of Johannesburg honoring all its promises of service delivery. Today it is Midrand, and we'll be doing this in all other regions. When you have stopped at a roadblock, there's an opportunity for you to do something about the status of your municipal account. Pay your dues, pay for City of Johannesburg.